Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a fax using your Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. Now if you haven't signed into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log into your account. Now once you have been logged into your account, if you wish to send any fax, just tap on the compose button at the top left corner. This will now open up the compose new message window. Now within the to section, you can directly type in the fax number on which you want to send your fax. Then after the fax number, type in the @ sign followed by your online fax service. Then within the subject page, enter your subject and then within the main body, make sure to type in your fax number once again. And then you can simply type in your fax message if you want to type it manually, and you can also tap on the attach file button or tap on insert photo to directly upload your photo to send as a fax. And once you insert your fax, tap on the send button and this will directly send your fax into the fax number that you just mentioned. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a fax using your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.